We have seen it, that Allah made the earth to swallow him. 617. Akhwani, the best izar, the best place for your izar is half of your leg, up to half of the leg. But there's no harm to make it longer and longer up to the ankles. Below the ankles in the hill. The person does it in the hill. So, up to half of the shin. That's the thawb. But let's say that's the best. But the best among some of the people is not accepted. They start laughing at him. But they will not laugh at him if it is just above the ankles. Okay? Right. And also, if it is up to half of the shin, people maybe will not listen to him as a da'iyah. But they will listen to him if it's just above the ankle. Which one I choose? No. Above the ankles, correct. I choose above the ankles. Because this is not compulsory and this is not haram. Putting it up to half of the shin is not compulsory. And making it above the ankle is not haram. So here I've got something which is recommended, something which is permissible up to the ankles, but the recommended is gonna prevent a big maslaha. Which is the maslaha? That my words is gonna reach those people. They're not gonna listen to me, they're gonna look at me like that. They're not gonna listen to me. They think, what is he dressed up like this? Because the people, they want to have some dress that is acceptable to them. I'm not saying to go and satisfy them and put shorts on. Huh? I'm not saying that. Because if they want to go to the people would like you to be naked. No, I'm not going to do that. But I will do it according that I will please Allah, but at the same time, I don't want to lose the precious goals. Okay? The precious goals. So I will not really, for example, put it up to the half of the, but if you're in an environment, like in, for example, our Muslim countries, that shows the iman, the person, how much his iman has got. Like I have in my country, my dresses, all of them short. When I start putting them, when I go to the masjid, it became so strange now. And because I'm an old man, nobody would dare to laugh or something. But I could see the people who are in the masjid looking at me with a strange look. But they can't laugh. Because they'll be done. So they can't laugh. But I could see them that they're, subhanAllah. So the first time, after that they got used to it. But they look of you're ridiculing you, they belittle you. I don't care. But I know that this is the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Khair inshallah. Anyway, satisfy Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Going back, see the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam